FGEN stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is FibroGen stock a buy. I'll be breaking all of that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, especially looking at FGEN, I had like a reverse split, which doesn't matter that much, honestly. Like if I zoom out, we're still relatively in the same exact spot of this bearish range. I mean, I have no ill intentions towards FibroGen. It's just that it's honestly just for me just a bearish market that's coming from this supply. And unless we start breaking above that supply, it's still about to freaking continue to be bearish for me. Like if there is a double break, I'm even gonna look for a sell. But instead of just assuming stuff, I'm gonna see whatever the price is gonna give me after a couple of days, a week or so, right after more candles appear on the chart. So FGEN, they'll have receipts in the Discord. If you want to stay tuned and get free results, click the first link in the description. We'll continue to keep you updated.